Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse towards the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. In both case scenarios, you would like to see, of course, A, B, C corrective waves finishing a wave 2 or a wave B. After this as well, you would like to see in both case scenario a signal of strength for continuation toward the upside, where we would like to see an impulse where exactly this is what we saw, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 did not reach your zone 1, perfect. And of course a wave 5 as a contracting ending diagonal, taking the high, of course, perfectly to finish a wave 1. Meaning this wave 1, you would like to look for higher prices as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C in case you are in A, B, and a C. Zigzag toward the upside, your target is 4,157 because of course this might be the same repeated wave A to repeat exactly from the bottom of your wave B and reaching of course the 1-to-1 fib level in a logarithmic chart, of course, to reach 4,157. Logarithmic chart because of course we know that crypto market moves much more higher in a potential of a percentage rather than just prices. As you can see, if this is your wave 1, it has repeated the same amount for your wave A and even higher this time for higher prices, meaning you might have of course the same path again to reach the 1-to-1 fib level at 4,157. So in that case, after a wave 1, you would like to see a wave 2, right? The same as this wave 2, almost, which it is almost close for it. So if we zoom in a little bit, guys, here, in our impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1, you have A, B, and a C, or you're looking after a wave A, B, C. Now regarding the time, as you can see, you have reached already the perfect, not the perfect, I mean the minimum requirement 0.38 fib time for a wave 2, and we start to see some retracements from there, right? So the perfect time is 0.618, of course, but not necessarily always to reach it. Now there is of course two ways to reach or to finish this wave ABC for a wave 2 here, and I would say that this wave 2 can be of course a WXY as well, meaning WXNY, because this is looking still three-wave structure. Yeah, and when you want to finish with three-wave structure, that means of course 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down again, finishing a W, X, and a Y. I'm gonna label this of course over the, here we go. And in this case scenario, if you have finished as WXY, then that means you are moving for higher prices already. You are already in a bullish scenario. In case you are still looking for a wave ABC, then your wave C is not impulsive anymore here, because if you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, of course your wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with your zone 1. Therefore, all what you have to do right now as a wave C is to combine this zigzag as a wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing in the perfect time, perfect fib levels for a wave C in an ending diagonal. However, of course, this is a bearish or short-term bearish possibility, while you have already your bullish scenario right now unfolding probably as well. So before we were very bearish without any signal of bullish, yeah, but now you got a signal of bullish in WXY and moving for higher prices. In this case scenario, I would say, yeah, we have to get insight here to see what's going on, but let's first set here our bearish signal, where you would like to see, of course, a continuation towards the downside in an impulse, an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So let's put also the signal of an ending diagonal, potentially, of course, forming here. Because this is the only way that we can get it. So let's move in the 4-hour chart, of course, and let's turn off this, and let's put our stuff here for the weekly. All right, so On the 4-hour chart, yes, I already made as well this scenario here. So as you can see, we had before bullish scenario probability. Here we go. We had this before. And we have here higher possibility for bullish. It has been reached already. And potentially we are looking for higher, guys. As you can see, in the bullish scenario, yeah, we might move for higher right now. And of course, in the bearish scenario, you would like to finish this ending diagonal as a B, and a C. Yeah. But let's take a look at this to get some answer. On the 1-hour chart, what is this move toward the upside now? Okay, the problem with this here is that all the bottom are aligned at the same price. That's very weird. So let's take a line here and just check what's going on. So let's zoom in. Okay, which one is the lowest? Yeah, this one is the low. So potentially, okay, this one is the low, but it has touched the 886, yeah, which is a very rare case scenario where you have an impulse with an 886. That is very, very rare. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, your wave 4 anyway, yeah. This is not an impulse because your wave 4 anyway has reached your wave 1. So this is corrective, guys. I know it looks impulsive, but still corrective. So we're looking at ABC probably, or W, X, and a Y as a zigzag here. Meaning if this is a corrective wave, that means it might be a wave 2 for a contracting diagonal. Here we go. It gives us again now, it brings us back to our bearish scenario because this looks corrective and not impulsive. Yeah, if it was like looking like this, impulse, clean impulse, 3 waves down and then continuation, I would say, yeah, we are in bullish. But yeah, it looks like corrective wave. And bringing us to a corrective wave 2, then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. So to recap fast, guys, let's go back to the 4-hour chart to recap. Okay. That is two scenarios might be unfolding, the bearish and the bullish. We have a bearish still, of course, which is still have higher possibility after our analysis here. We have, of course, higher prices, but nothing is impulsive. It is corrective 3 waves, meaning this might be a wave 2 for a contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, in case, of course, this turns in somehow as a contracting diagonal as well toward the upside, of course, then you have finished in W, X, and Y. Higher possibility right now still for the bearish because, of course, we got to the area where we might have a possibility for the bullish, but after estimation, it was not impulsive. That was the problem. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.